Hi everyone, welcome back. We already heard about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone and coming this year. Yes, you heard it right because today we got very first hands-on video of Samsung Galaxy Fold Z, and man, this smartphone come very best and the best of the Samsung. Last year we saw Motorola Razr a Flip smartphone from Motorola, but now in 2020, Samsung come with a new foldable smartphone. They come with a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone, a very fold smartphone, a truly foldable smartphone which can be handled very easily and you can use it as a daily life. Samsung Galaxy Fold, a very best smartphone, one of the first smartphone from Samsung come with a foldable display, but that smartphone not easy to hold or not easy to use in our daily life. But Samsung Galaxy Fold Z, one of the best smartphone in my opinion, come very easy to use in your daily life. Ben Gaskin, a tipster, posted a hands-on video of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone on their Twitter account, and they claiming that this smartphone is belong to Samsung Galaxy Fold Z. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone come with a glossy finish. On the front side there's a punch hole display. That's mean the smartphone come with in-display camera setup that come with a punch hole display. On the back there is a dual camera setup and there is a secondary display as well. The secondary display may be used for notification, times, etc. Samsung working on their flip smartphone display. The smartphone completely fold and unfold. There's no crease on the display. Make sure this smartphone come very quickly in the market. Make sure the price could be even better than other flip smartphone. I really love this smartphone. I really hope this smartphone come very quickly in the market. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, press the like button and let me know in the comment section what you thought about this smartphone. I will see you next video. Till then, goodbye.